Welcome students. In this session we will be covering a program under Bachelor of Science, 3rd year, subject Botany, core, semester 5, course code is BOC 106, course title is Cell Biology and Plant Biochemistry. Title of the unit, Unit 4, Biomolecules, module name, Vitamin, occurrence, functions and deficiency symptoms of vitamin A, B complex, C, D, E and K. Myself, Dr. Nisha Kewat, Assistant Professor from Department of Botany of Shri DPM Shri Mallikarjun and Shri Chetan Manju Desai College. Outline: in this session, we will be covering about vitamin A, B complex, C, D, E and K, their occurrence, their functions and also their deficiency symptoms. Learning outcome: at the end of this session, student will be able to recall the occurrence of vitamin A, B complex, C, D and K. They will also be able to understand the functions of all the vitamins. In addition, they will also be able to differentiate the deficiency symptoms of vitamin A, B complex, C, D, E and K. Classification of vitamins. Vitamins are broadly classified as fat soluble and water soluble. Under fat soluble, vitamin A, D, E and K comes, whereas under water soluble, vitamin B and C comes. Vitamin B is a complex which has further types of the vitamin B, that is thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, biotin, pantothenic acid, vitamin B6, folate and vitamin B12. Coming to the fat soluble, and under that individual one vitamin will be covered for their sources, functions and deficiency symptoms. So, vitamin A, we can get them from animal fats, palm oils, red peppers, dark green leafy vegetables as well as from yellow vegetables and fruits. Once they are consumed, they will be stored in a liver and they are required for maintaining the general health and vigor of the epithelial cells. If the vitamin A is not taken in a required amount, it develops a dry skin, scaly and also the cornea of the eyes are also dry, causing a condition called as a xerophthalmia or a dry eye. In addition to that, deficiency also causes the night blindness, which is also referred as a nyctalopia. Vitamin D, that is also called as a calciferol, it is obtained from fish liver oils, liver, egg yolk, butter, fresh milk. And addition to that, it is also produced by human body when skin cholesterol is exposed to UV rays. Their major role is they are involved in the intestinal absorption of calcium and phosphorus, and also they will also be required for calcium metabolism and bone formation. Deficiency symptoms causes a rickets in a children. Rickets is basically tenderness or a softness of a bone, which is usually seen in a children. Osteomalacia in adults, again it is a weak bones. Vitamin E, which is also referred as a tocopherol, it is obtained from the vegetable oils, wheat germ oil. Wheat germ oil is derived from the wheat germ, egg yolk, green leafy vegetables, tomato, milk and butter. Functions: it inhibits the catabolism of certain fatty acids of cellular membranes. So, whenever there is a deficiency, it will cause a hemolytic anemia, which means that RBC will be destroyed before a new RBC can be formed. So, deficiency symptoms will be causing the hemolytic anemia, which is due to the oxidation of unsaturated fats, which is resulting in abnormal structure and functions of mitochondria, lysosomes and plasma membrane of cells. Vitamin K, which is also referred as a naphthoquinone, it is derived from naturally produced by intestinal bacteria, liver and also can be obtained from fresh green vegetables. It is required for the formation of a prothrombin. Prothrombin is basically a coagulant which is a blood clotting factor, usually it is synthesized by the liver, and if there is a deficiency, it causes a hemorrhage or a bleeding in a newborn infants, and also it causes a scurvy like symptoms, and also the clotting is also affected. Coming to the water soluble vitamins now, First we will study about the vitamin B complex. The first one is thiamine. Sources are, it is obtained from the yeast, whole cereals, oil seeds, soya bean, nuts, liver, pork, seafood and also from the green leafy vegetables. It is required for the synthesis of the acetylcholine and also it is destroyed by the heat. In addition, it is also required in a carbohydrate metabolism. Deficiency symptoms, it is a beriberi and also polyneuritis. Polyneuritis basically it is a malfunctional of all the peripheral nerves. Second one, vitamin B2, that is riboflavin. It is obtained from the peas, beans, milk, egg white, liver, kidney, germinated cereals and pulses. It is also found in a growing green leafy vegetables. Their major role is, it acts as a coenzyme FAD which is involved in metabolism of carbohydrate as well as proteins. There is lack of riboflavin will cause a blurred vision, cataract, also the corneal ulceration, dermatitis and chillosis. Chillosis is basically a condition wherein the corners of the mouth will be dry. Coming to the niacin, which is also referred as a nicotinic acid, its sources are from the wheat, liver, fish, chicken, yeast, whole grain, peas, beans, pulses, nuts, potato, tomato, green vegetables, germinated seeds and milk. Functions, it forms the coenzyme NAD which is involved in energy releasing reactions, and also in lipid metabolism it inhibits the production of cholesterol and helps in a fat breakdown. Deficiency symptoms, when niacin is not there, pellagra condition will develop which is characterized by the 3 Ds, that is dermatitis, diarrhea and dementia. Coming to vitamin B6, that is pyridoxine, its sources are liver, meat, fish, whole cereals, yellow corn, legumes, tomatoes and yogurt. Functions, it forms the coenzyme NAD which is involved in amino acid metabolism in brain and also it is involved in a fat metabolism. Deficiency symptoms, convulsions. Convulsions are basically a synonym for seizures, then dermatitis of eyes, nose and mouth, and also it causes a retarded growth when vitamin B6 is taken in a very less quantity. Folic acid, its sources are green leafy vegetables, germinated pulses, eggs and liver. Functions, they are required for the synthesis of the DNA, and if we overcook the folic acid from any sources, it gets destroyed. Deficiency symptoms, macrocystic anemia, that is production of abnormally large red blood cells. As the name suggests, macro, that means a large size. Biotin, that is vitamin H, sources are yeast, liver, egg yolk, milk, kidneys. Functions, it acts as a coenzyme in metabolism of carbohydrates, fatty acids as well as the nucleic acids. Deficiency symptoms, it causes a mental depression, muscular pain, fatigue, dermatitis and also nausea. Vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. Water soluble vitamins, vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. Sources, liver, kidney, meat, fish eggs, milk and cheese. Functions, it acts as a coenzyme which is necessary for DNA synthesis, RBC formation, growth and nerve functions. If there is a deficiency symptom, it will cause pernicious anemia and also the malfunctioning of nervous system. Vitamin C, which is a last type of the water soluble vitamin, that is ascorbic acid. It is derived from amla, guava, citrus fruits, tomatoes, green leafy vegetables. It is majorly involved in promoting protein synthesis, wound healing and also iron absorption. It protects the body against the infection and also it is also very sensitive to the heat and it get rapidly destroyed by the heat. Deficiency symptoms causes a scurvy, which is a disease characterized by the swelling of the gums, multiple hemorrhages, anemia and weakness. Coming to summary, in this section, in this presentation, we had studied about the majorly the classification of the vitamins. Then we have in a detail we have studied about the sources, functions and also the deficiency symptoms, all the types of the vitamins which comes under the fat soluble as well as the water soluble vitamins. References. Thank you.